looking for this opportunity, and now you have found it. Get on board for a life-changing tour of Cruise to Cash. In our world, there are basically two types of people, employees and bosses. Employees have no control over their time, are paid only what their job is worth and not what they are worth, and make their bosses wealthy. Bosses own their own business, control their time, and make themselves wealthy with systems and employees. They know their success depends on their mindset and efforts at creating systems that work for them. The question is, which type of person are you? Are you earning the money you want and deserve? Do you have the freedom to travel when you want? Do you have the time you want to be with your family and friends, or do the things you want to do? If the answer is no, then why not? When are you going to follow your dreams and create the life you want to have? If you are ready for this change, then Cruise to Cash is designed just for you. Cruise to Cash combines two of your favorite things, cash and travel, into one wealth-producing business. First, let's talk about the cash. Cruise to Cash employs a system that works for you 24/7 to produce cash from 4 different income sources. That makes you the boss and the system the employee. The first income stream is the modified 2-up immediate cash flow system that makes you money right from your very first sale. The first 2 Cruise to Cash product sales your system makes for you will be split 50-50 with your sponsor. That's right, even though you pass these new members up to your sponsor, you will still split their commission, making you hundreds of dollars right from your very first sale. After these first 2 sales, the next sales your system makes for you will form your first pay line to help you develop income stream number 2. Income stream number 2. After your first 2 passed up sales, you are now qualified to earn 100% of the commission for every sale your system makes for you. Cruise to Cash has 2 vacation packages, the Cruiser for $977 and the Voyager for $1,477. After your first 2 sales at your eligible package level, it means you will now be qualified to earn $977 or $1,477 over and over again, each time someone joins your business. If you're a Cruiser package member, you're eligible to earn $977 on every Cruiser sale. The $1,477 Voyager commissions you will not be eligible to earn, so they will pass up to the next qualified Voyager member in your upline. If you're a $1,477 Voyager package member, you will make 100% of every Cruiser and every Voyager package your system sells for you over and over again. Income stream number 3. You will earn the split commissions passed up to you from your new downline members, $488.50 for the Cruiser or $738.50 for the Voyager over and over again. And these first 2 people from each of your downline members will become part of your team and will now pass up their first 2 sales and split commission with you. The system takes care of this automatically for you. This shows you the power of multiplication. Your first 2 sales after splitting the commission pass up to your sponsor, but your next sale stays with you and you make 100% of your eligible commissions. And since they now form your first pay line, they will pass up their first 2 sales and split the commissions with you. Those 2 will pass up their shared commission sales and become 4. Those 4 become 8. Those 8 become 16, and on it goes to infinity for every pay line you establish from a personal sale. Your employee, the system, is now making you very wealthy. This leads to income stream number 4. Income stream number 4. You will earn $10 per month from the Cruiser package or $20 per month from the Voyager package from every person in your team, as they pay you part of the monthly website hosting fees. That means that month in, month out, those monthly commissions are coming to your bank account automatically over and over again for years, as long as that member remains an active Cruise to Cash business owner. Your employee, the system, is now making you rich while you enjoy the second major benefit of your Cruise to Cash business, vacations. With Cruise to Cash, you can vacation your way to wealth. You will have access to unlimited vacations to exotic locations anytime you want. Both the Cruiser and Voyager packages have instant downloads of vacation certificates to thousands of locations worldwide in 3, 4, and 5-star resorts and hotels. You can print and give away unlimited amounts of these vacation certificates to help others enjoy these vacations, as well as invite them to learn about your Cruise to Cash business. You can do the things you enjoy the most with the people you love the most. With the Voyager package, not only will you have those unlimited vacation certificates that you can print and share, you will also have the first-of-its-kind Cruise to Cash travel center with thousands of 4- and 5-star resorts, cruises, family packages, monthly hot specials, all-inclusive vacation packages, and flights worldwide at unbelievable prices. All Voyager Cruise to Cash members will have a full-service air travel, car rental, cruise listing, worldwide hotel and resort search, and information booking engine, unrivaled in the industry, plus a toll-free phone service center to answer your questions and help you plan your travel. Making money, making memories. That's what Cruise to Cash is all about. Cruise to Cash is not oversold ebooks that no one reads. It is not tired software downloads that no one uses. These are real vacations to real places that you can take anytime you like with the people you love. And you can download and print unlimited numbers of these vacation certificates to give to others to promote your Cruise to Cash business. Everyone loves vacations. Vacation your way to wealth by sharing your unlimited certificates with friends, helping them take a vacation of their dreams, and inviting them to join your business. Cruise to Cash will sell itself. You're the boss, and your system is your employee to make you wealthy. Imagine this, while you and your family are on a 5-day, 4-night getaway in Cancun, Mexico, or a weekend getaway in Lake Tahoe, or even a relaxing gondola ride in Venice, Italy. Your employee, the system, could be working and making money for you. Can you live with that? When you join Cruise to Cash, you get a full marketing website like this one, loads of tools to help you market your new business, unlimited vacation certificates, and with the Voyager package, the most complete travel booking engine of its kind, along with 4 powerful streams of income that will turn you into the boss you've been waiting to become. So what are you waiting for? It's time to live your life on your terms. Take the vacations of your dreams and take control of your time and future today. Complete the tour of this website to get all your questions answered. Then go to the Join Now page to start your free test cruise and access the system that is literally making people just like you thousands of dollars per month. You too can vacation your way to wealth with Cruise to Cash.